Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Ava. If you're new, I'm a mom. I have a 3-year-old son. I'm 36.5 weeks pregnant with my second. Yes, I wore this shirt to the mall today and people were asking me how many kids I actually have, but it's just kind of an inside joke thing because I was only supposed to have one and then now I'm having two. So I know it's not a ton of kids, but if I look tired, I am. Girl, it's because my son is rambunctious. I'm baking this one. I'm working full time. I'm doing this experiment with Poshmark. So I'm probably just doing a little too much, but I'm gonna try to take it a little easy. Today I'm showcasing these beauties because I found them. They're UGG suede moccasins. I found them at the thrift store and I fell in love with them. They're size 12, so I can't fit them, but I thought someone might be able to, so I have to let someone enjoy these beauties. They're listed in my Poshmark closet. I'm gonna link the closet below, and this is also my closet name. I'll actually break down all the sales that I had for the month, maybe closer to the end of the month. I might do it sooner because shoot, I might have this baby before the end of the month. Knock on wood. Where's some wood? Where's some wood? Okay. I don't know if you could hear that, but that was wood. Anyway, so earlier this week I got an email from Poshmark saying something to the effect of, I've been really active on the app, I've been making consistent sales, and they said, congratulations, you can now buy wholesale from us, stock up your closet, add things to your closet. So I was like, okay. I clicked on the link and I was looking through. There's a lot of different boutiques. For the most part, I hadn't heard of the brand names. You know, a lot of the items, it was buy 3 of these shirts, buy 5 of these shirts, buy 10 of these shirts, that type of thing. And I thought to myself, I really don't want to get stuck with 3 of the same shirts of something that I don't even know what it is, and I don't even know if I'm going to be able to sell one of them, right? So I kept looking through, then I saw this brand, Electric Yoga. They sell all kinds of workout gear, sports bras, yoga pants, workout tops and bottoms. And I was like, okay, I've heard other people talk about the fact that workout gear does really well on Poshmark. I was scrolling through the page and I saw a mystery box. This is a 6-item mystery box. So I figured it'd be a great way to add some things to my closet that I bought at wholesale prices. So let's dig in.
This is a track, man.
So this is what it looks like. Everything is in some plastic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, yes, there's 6 items. They're bagged. They're obviously bagged for mystery boxes because it says mystery bottom medium. So let's go ahead and see what it is. So I'll be able to list these things on my Poshmark, new with tags. This is a pair of really cute cropped yoga pants. They're navy, kind of like navy blue with the aqua green detail. In the back they have mesh, and this is cute, little zipper that will fit your car key, maybe a gym ID and a car key, whatever you want to put there. That's cute. You can tell I haven't worked out in a while because I haven't seen anything like that. So I'm really liking that. Okay, so that was item number 1. Number 2, I don't know about this neon color. Whoa, it's kind of not really my style, but hopefully it will be someone's style. But this is a sports bra. It's really cute. It's somewhat padded, I guess. Oh, it has the side openings where you can kind of take the pads out if you want or readjust them. So that's good. If you want them, you can have them. If you don't want them, you can take them out. But it's cute. Here's the back. Has like a little cutout. It's really cute. Alright, even though I wasn't digging that color, I like the style of it. It's black, gray, and electric green. Okay, let's see what else. Ooh, this one is an extra small / small. This is really nice. It has kind of like cuffed sleeves. I don't know if you can see the detail. I don't know if you can see the detail on the sleeve, but and then the back has like mesh. See my bracelets through there, but it's just like a little bit of mesh detail. There you go. It's like a lightning bolt. Oh yeah, because it's electric. Duh. Okay, I'm so corny if you didn't notice already. Corny and awkward. Welcome to my life. Yeah, I really like this. Oh, and it's cool. You can like zip it all the way to the top. There's no real collar, but then it has this thing to protect you from the zipper. So I like that. I like that a lot. Man, I might have to get into yoga just so I could wear these things. And of course there's pockets. So, alright. I'm definitely loving this. Let's see. This is a mystery bottom small. Let's see, what is this? It almost feels like Spanx. But it has like the tie-dye bottom. So I guess they're workout pants too. But they feel thinner. It's like a thinner material than these blue ones. These blue ones were definitely like a heavier, more like a biker short material. Whereas these feel like Spanx. That's the only way I can describe them to you. Girl, if you never wore Spanx, lucky you. Anyways. Okay, there's 2 more things in here. Let's see. Oh, these look cute. Are also some cropped yoga pants, but they have the side detail, and it's really cute because it gives the look of, what do you call it, the woven look, but it's not actually open. There's a panel behind there, so you can work out and not be like, it's still modest. It's cute yet modest. Okay, last item. This is some more bottoms. These are gray. This is size small. Super cute. Kind of like the same in the front and the back, but you could see the mesh detail in the front and back. This is another little pocket in the back. Seems like you can definitely only fit a key in this one. The other one seems like you could fit a gym card, but this one is like, it'd have to be a tiny gym card. This is like maybe just for a locker key or whatever. But anyways, these are super cute. So I'm gonna go onto my Poshmark app and give this electric yoga mystery box 5 stars because I really like everything that's in here, and hopefully it'll give me some good profit. So this is part of the experiment. I'm definitely gonna come back and let you guys know when I sell them, not if, but when I sell them, I'm going to let you know how these items did in case you ever want to look at purchasing from Electric Yoga. Also, again, if you have a Poshmark closet, put your closet name down below so I can go and follow you, share your closet and things like that. And if you don't have a Poshmark closet, you should think about getting one, even if you're just wanting to sell your own items. I'm telling you, I've been having fun doing this so far, and it really does give you a little extra income. So I don't know, check it out. If you're already subscribed to my channel, hit that notification bell so you know when I upload new videos. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the bell also. Give this video a thumbs up and let me know if you have any comments, ideas, questions, suggestions, anything you want to tell me. Leave me some comments, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.